I found out my lawyer has been working for my ex-husband this entire divorce and sabotaging my case intentionally. I hired a divorce attorney 8 months ago when my husband and I decided to separate after 10 years of marriage together. The divorce was supposed to be simple, but it kept dragging on, with my lawyer always telling me to accept unfavorable settlements repeatedly. He kept saying I was asking for too much and that the judge would never side with me in court hearings. Every time I wanted to fight for something, he convinced me to give it up, saying it was not worth the legal battle. My ex-husband was getting everything he wanted while I was losing the house, savings, and even custody terms for our kids gradually. Last week, I went to my lawyer's office unannounced and saw my ex-husband walking out of a conference room there casually. I asked the receptionist what my husband was doing there, and she looked confused, saying he had a meeting scheduled with my lawyer. I confronted my lawyer immediately, and he said they were just discussing settlement terms to speed up the divorce process for everyone. But something felt completely wrong, so I hired a private investigator to look into my lawyer's recent activities and financial records thoroughly. The investigator discovered that my ex-husband has been paying my lawyer double his normal fee under the table for months now. Email records showed they had been strategizing together on how to get me to accept the worst possible divorce settlement terms available. My lawyer was intentionally giving me bad advice and sabotaging my case while pretending to represent my best interests in court proceedings. He convinced me not to hire a forensic accountant, which would have revealed my husband was hiding money in offshore accounts I never knew about. He also talked me out of demanding a fair share of my husband's business, saying it was too complicated when it was worth millions. I reported him to the State Bar Association immediately and filed a complaint for breach of fiduciary duty and legal malpractice against him. I had to hire a new lawyer and start the entire divorce process over from the beginning, losing 8 months of time. My new lawyer looked at everything and was shocked at how much I had already given up that I was legally entitled to receive. She said this was one of the worst cases of attorney misconduct she had ever seen in her 20 years of practicing family law. We are now suing my old lawyer for damages and trying to undo all the agreements I signed under his fraudulent legal advice and representation. My ex-husband is panicking because everything is being reopened and investigated, including the hidden assets he thought were safe from discovery now. The lawyer who betrayed me is facing disbarment and criminal charges, but the damage to my case and finances is already done, unfortunately. I trusted him completely with the most important legal battle of my life, and he sold me out for money from my husband. I have lost so much time and money and emotional energy fighting a battle where my own lawyer was secretly working against me.